Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to show you how to rename a photo on iPhone. So it's very simple. Go to photos, pick a photo that you want to rename. So from here tap on the share button and tap save to files and save this photo to a new number. Like I'm going to save this as man, then save it. Now go to files and from here tap this photo and tap and hold this photo, tap rename. From here tap man, and yeah, your name is ready. So this is how you can rename your photo on iPhone. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.